together, got the oil change, just got that completed, did some test drives. So I'm about to go out to the Reaction Motorsports event, Autocross, and do a little test and tune and see how I did. So hopefully, if all goes good, I'll have some good track footage for you. Alright, I'm out at the Reaction Motorsports event. Made it out here. All the gauges look good. Here comes TJ and his like 240 with a LS in it. Alright, my turn.
Promises on the cones. I missed the gate on that one, so that's a DNF. Good. AOD didn't want to downshift into first again. So if you're using an AOD for this, you're just always going to have that struggle. I need to be in first most of the time.
Alright, I'm done for today. I don't want to kill the poor thing. I want to be able to come out and have a little more fun. So this is Reaction Motorsports, their event. Fort Smith, Arkansas, out at Chaffee Crossing actually. So some of the guys is out here. So I'm about to head out. Okay, we just got back from the autocross. Didn't have to get towed in, so that's good. Let's see here. Say a couple more times. Looks like I put 93 octane in there, about $15, and used all of that. Just did an oil change. Used probably a little more in quart of oil out there. So not bad. Held together. So I'm going to let it cool down, and over this next week I'm going to jack it up and look at everything, make sure everything's greased up, nothing broke that I didn't notice or anything like that. So I think I need to pull just a little bit of timing out of it, and that's because my AOD, I need to go around the track in first gear. It's a low speed enough track, and I have a high enough gear with the 327s and the 225 tire on the back that I could hit 50 miles an hour in first gear, so I could just pedal it from there and go around the track and only shift in the second at the very last. What that'll do is, if I shift in the second on a back straightaway, then it gets me in second gear, and then I'm not able to get slow enough for the transmission to shift down back into first. I think on mine about 10, I have to be around 10-15 miles an hour to get the shift down back into first, even though I manually put it back in low or first. So that's just the problem with the AOD transmission.